Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by launching Chrome and opening Songmaker in Chrome Music Lab. Choose a clean project. Set tempo and time signature now because your rhythm needs a stable grid. Pick a scale and key that match the vocal track. This prevents clashing notes. Once done, map out 16 bars for a verse and chorus, then load or keep your reference FNF song handy so you can copy groove and BPM precisely. This saves guesswork later. You now craft the beat, place kicks on strong beats and add hi-hats on eighths to replicate FNF drive. Build a bass line that follows root notes and locks with the kick, because low-end cohesion creates punch. Use the synth instrument panels to pick a tone, and vary velocity to simulate human feel, softer offbeats and louder downbeats. Once done, loop 4-bar sections and listen for phase issues, then adjust timing slightly to keep the groove tight and danceable. You finish by adding the lead melody and fills, align phrases with the drum pattern so vocals sit in the pocket. Once done, export the track using the built-in export or record the tab audio in stereo, making sure sample rate and BPM match your target. Make sure to test the full loop, and if timing drifts, quantize selectively. Not everything needs perfect grid snap. One key troubleshooting tip: if parts sound off, confirm your BPM and key match the reference. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.